A chapel was built in the minutes where I used to play on the green, and the doors of this chapel were shut, and you shall not read over the door. So I turned to the garden of love that so many sweet flowers grew, and I saw it was filled with graves, tombstones where flowers should be, and priests in black gowns were walking their rounds and binding with brass my joy and desire.